Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to change shipping method on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your device and then open whatever product that you want to purchase. Just for example, I will open this one and let's pretend that I make an order. So I proceed to checkout. This is order confirmation page. And I want to enter my shipping section. So here it is, shipping, open it, and here you can see that I can expand this list, show more options, and here I can select what suits me the best. So that's how you can change your shipping method on AliExpress. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.